Hey there, beauties. Welcome back to Health Spiffy, your go-to destination for all things health and beauty. Today, we're diving into a juicy topic that'll have you feeling very good. We're talking about strawberries. But hold on to your makeup brushes, because we're not just snacking on them today. Nope. We're exploring 10 common beauty problems and how you can solve them with the power of strawberry paste. Get ready to transform your beauty routine from bland to berry-tastic. Let's kick things off with a beauty woe that plagues many of us: acne. Those pesky pimples can really put a damper on your day, but fear not. Strawberries contain salicylic acid, a magical ingredient that can help unclog pores and banish acne-causing bacteria. Simply mash up some strawberries, apply the paste to your face, and let it work its zit-zapping wonders. Next up, let's talk about dark circles under the eyes. Whether you've been burning the midnight oil or genetics are to blame, those panda eyes can make you look tired and worn out. But fear not. Strawberries are here to save the day once again. They contain alpha-hydroxy acids that can help lighten dark circles and brighten up your under-eye area. Simply blend some strawberries into a paste, dab it gently around your eyes, and let it work its magic. Moving right along, let's tackle dull, lackluster skin. If your complexion is feeling blah and in need of a pick-me-up, strawberries are your new best friend. Thanks to their high vitamin C content, strawberries can help promote collagen production and give your skin a radiant glow. Whip up a strawberry paste, slather it on your face, and get ready to shine bright like a strawberry. Ah, the dreaded oily T-zone. If you're constantly battling excess shine on your forehead, nose, and chin, you're not alone. But fear not. Strawberries contain natural astringents that can help tighten pores and regulate oil production. Mash up some strawberries, apply the paste to your T-zone, and let it work its mattifying magic. Say goodbye to that greasy shine. Let's not forget about uneven skin tone. Whether it's due to sun damage, acne scars, or hyperpigmentation, dealing with blotchy skin can be a real confidence crusher. But fear not. Strawberries contain antioxidants that can help fade dark spots and even out your skin tone over time. Blend up some strawberries, apply the paste to problem areas, and get ready to say hello to a more even complexion. And last but certainly not least, let's tackle dry, flaky lips. If your pout is feeling less than kissable, strawberries can come to the rescue once again. Their natural moisturizing properties help hydrate and soften lips, leaving them looking and feeling oh so smooth. Simply mash up a strawberry, mix it with a bit of honey, and gently exfoliate your lips with the mixture for a minute or two before rinsing off. And there you have it, folks, 10 common beauty problems solved with the power of strawberry paste. Who knew that this humble fruit could be such a powerhouse when it comes to looking and feeling your best? If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Health Spiffy for more tips, tricks, and hacks to help you look and feel your best. Until next time, stay spiffy and keep on shining bright like a strawberry.